the stillness of winter, when days are short and light is scarce, the pomegranate appears as a gift, a fruit that holds within it the promise of renewal, the brightness of hope, and the power of healing. To break open its firm shell is to find a hidden treasury of ruby seeds, shining with vitality. The pomegranate's wisdom travels across cultures. In Persia, it's shared at Yalda night, the winter solstice, as families honor the return of the light. In Mediterranean lands, it's opened at the new year, scattering seeds of abundance and hope. And in Greek mythology, the pomegranate is the fruit of Persephone. When she tasted its seeds in the underworld, she was bound to winter. Yet, her return each spring makes the fruit a symbol of the cycles, descent, stillness, and renewal. Like the seeds hidden inside its shell, life waits in the dark, only to return again. For centuries, people have turned to this fruit in celebration and story. But as a fruit, this treasure is also valued as a nourishing food source and as medicine for both the body and the spirit. One cup of pomegranate seeds, 174 grams, is 144 calories. It's got 33 grams carbs, 7 grams fiber, 24 grams sugars, 3 grams protein, and 2 grams fat. It's got vitamins K, C, and B9, and minerals, potassium, copper, and manganese. And pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, including polyphenols. While offering hydration and natural energy, pomegranates support heart health, immune function, and digestion. Their antioxidants protect cells, reduce inflammation, and contribute to radiant skin and overall vitality during winter. Choose fruits that feel heavy for their size with unbroken, firm skin. That weight is a sign of abundant juice within. At room temperature, they last about a week, but in the refrigerator, they can be stored much longer. Once opened, the arils will keep for several days in an airtight container. Each aril holds both juice and seed. Some savor the whole jewel for its fiber. Others simply enjoy the burst of juice. However you eat them, the act of opening a pomegranate is its own meditation, slowing us down to uncover life's small treasures. Pomegranates combine beautifully with citrus and berries, tossed on fresh greens, blended into a juice with oranges for a bright winter tonic, or scattered across smoothie bowls, like rubies of renewal. A glass of pure pomegranate juice itself is a ritual, winter's hope pressed into your hands. Pomegranates, they teach us that what is hidden can be revealed, that nourishment exists even in the quiet of winter, and that within every seed lies the promise of return. Hey everyone, I've placed the Fruit of the Month pomegranate recipe card and the mandala coloring sheet for you in the Free to Join Fruitiful Soul Society. They're waiting there for you whenever you're ready. So if you haven't joined already, please join. Just click the link in the description to access them. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.